This video reviews replacing Morse taper pedals with a 290-0063 mini crank puller. Required tools. Step 1. Orient the crank and pedal into position as shown, and then engage the flywheel brake to prevent them from moving. Use an 8mm Allen key to remove the pedal bolt. Step 2. Disconnect the tip of the mini pedal puller and thread it into the crank arm fully as shown, taking caution not to cross-thread. Use a 14mm wrench to make sure it's fully fastened into the crank arm. Step 3. Thread the puller shaft through the tip seated in the crank arm until it stops. Then use a 21mm socket and wrench to turn it clockwise, tightening until the Morse taper pedal is pushed out of the crank arm. Step 4. Repeat on the user left side of removing and replacing both pedals. Step 5. Reconnect the pedal into the crank arm with the toe cage facing forward. Step 6. Refasten the 8mm pedal bolt into the rear of the pedal. Use a torque wrench to tighten the pedal bolt to 33 to 37 foot-pounds. Additional resources.